Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, back in the building with another video, man. Today we got something dope for y'all, man. Something fresh for the channel. But of course, as always, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and holla at your boy in the comments. You know the vibes. I do talk back. Also, you know, if you ain't doing it already, man, hit your boy up on social media, baby. You know what I'm saying? You see the channel. You see the channel, baby. Go ahead, hit that follow button on IG, Twitter. You know what I'm saying? I definitely, you know, work hard to give y'all these fashion looks. You know what I'm saying? These first looks on my Instagram, Twitter as well. You know, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Yo, so today, man, we got something dope for y'all, man. Another brown box. You know what I'm saying? We definitely got an unboxing for y'all. Something that I've been anticipating that I absolutely need in the collection, man. But, you know, this is a little different because this is your first time. It's your boy first time going ahead and copping off of the Go app. You know what I'm saying? You know, every other, you know, online marketplace, you know, purchase that I've ever made has been on StockX. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, no time like the present to go ahead and, you know, grab a pair of these, you know, this particular pair of shoe, you know, from a different platform. So I went with the Go app this time. You know, very interesting experience. You know, I ordered these things about just over a week ago, and it probably took about just under 2 weeks for this to get to me, man. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, especially in the pandemic where, you know, shipping has been kind of slow. You know, that was definitely kind of interesting. They ain't going with the goofy tooth, you know, super marked out boxes like Nike does. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing open and see what time it is. So far, decent little, you know, experience. And so the first look, you see I open this thing up. You got a whole bunch of, you know, just brown paper in this guy right here. You know, really cheap. Look like they cut up a bunch of brown paper bags. You know, that's interesting. But you know, you see what the time it is. We got the orange Nike box. So, you know, nothing else in here. Just brown tissue paper. So we just gonna let the regular box go by the wayside. But hey, man, some weird stickers on the front of this thing. But as you can see, damn, these things retail for $160. Oh, these came from Australia. That's probably why they took so long for me to, you know, AUD, what currency is that? You know, 160 AUD, you know, it should have been around 110 retail US. But you see the Nike Dunk High Retro, you know, orange blaze, you know what I'm saying? White, if you don't know by now, you're not really into sneakers. Open this thing up, still no like tag or nothing like that. I don't see no goat. You know, I thought the whole thing with the Goat app, you know, it comes wrapped up in some like crazy goat paper. You know what I'm saying? I guess they cutting back on that. But as you can see, bang, bang, the bang, 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 the Nike Dunk High Syracuse joints, man. Really happy to have these guys in my collection, man. Last year when they were coming out with the lows, you know, I'm not really the biggest low top fan. Let me just make sure ain't nothing else in there that I'm missing. Oh, okay. So I guess the new thing is you get this little sticker right here, GOAT verified, and with all these like holes being punched, I guess, you know, color, shape, authentication, color, shape, material and structure, stitching, sole, label, tag, quality control, SKU and size, left and right, shoe condition, box condition, and accessories. So these are, I guess, are all of the different points of reference that GOAT definitely goes through, verifies, and checks, just to make sure that you're getting, you know, the most legit sneakers, the best quality sneakers that you can out there on the market. And then they also kind of put this, you know, this little sticker down there, okay, the GOAT sticker in the box. It just, you know, give you that extra little touch, man. So I guess it's official. Your boy got a GOAT sticker. You know, we made our first purchase on GOAT. You know, no No GOAT tags or anything like that, which, you know, probably really doesn't matter because people fake those things all the time anyway. But yeah, man, had the Syracuse lows. I'm not really a low top guy, so I didn't really care about those too much, man. But as soon as I saw images for the high, I just had to make sure that I went on ahead and got these things. It was a little interesting because, you know, a lot of us didn't think, for a minute there, you know, we didn't think that Nike was going to come through with the highs. You know, it was supposed to be a women's exclusive colorway. Everybody was mad. And then they popped up out of nowhere with, you know, the men's versions. But nevertheless, I took an L. There wasn't a lot of, you know, and when it comes to shoes like this, that's typically supposed to be like women's exclusive. You know, I try to hop on it, especially with my size 13, because that means that there's not a lot of 13s out there. But yeah, let's go ahead and get up and close and personal with the sneaker. Syracuse high, size 13, orange blaze, white. You know this colorway, legendary colorway. Just off the rip, you know, if I have any complaints about these, especially in comparison to the lows, man, this leather quality that they put on the highs here is just no comparison. The leather quality of the lows are definitely better, man. And so that kind of sucks. But I mean, everything else is what it is. I don't like these laces either. You know, I don't know what's going on with these little flat, skinny laces, but that's what they've been doing on all the highs lately. Probably going to swap those out anyway. Very simple, white toe box, orange, you know, sole here, white midsole, you know, orange mudguard, orange swoosh. Classic sneaker. Quality could have been better, you know, orange Nike Air, but you know, you get what you get. This is the best we're gonna get for a few years. And yeah, I don't really have much to say about these. Happy to have a sneaker in my collection. Wish the quality was better, but hey, the sizes weren't guaranteed. I wasn't guaranteed to get the shoe this year. And, you know, decent little experience with the GOAT app. So let's go ahead and get back to it. Take it away. Peace. Oh, yeah, man. My experience, my thoughts, the GOAT app, I will be doing, you know, shopping there again. I already have a second pair of sneakers that, you know, I'm looking to grab from them, you know, in mind. And so, of course, when I go ahead and pull the trigger on those, that review will be coming soon. But, you know, happy to have these in the collection, as I've said a million times already. Really smooth experience with the GOAT app, and they can definitely get my business again. If you haven't bought from the GOAT app in a while, you know what to look for when you're ordering your shoes. You know, that is always important. But y'all let me know, man, were y'all feeling these in the comment box below? How'd y'all feel about it? You know what I'm saying? Is it still on the list? If I'm y'all, man, you know how to, you know, everything that has any type of orange in it right now is going bonkers. Of course, you all know this is my college colorway. So, you know, y'all definitely hop on these if you really want them, man. And especially with the Team Little Feet, you know, brigade, really, you know, loving this sneaker and going hard in it. Definitely snatch these up before it's too late. But that's it for today's video. Of course, man, like, comment, subscribe. You know the vibes as we proceed to give you what you need. Got Syracuse Dunks in the building. Follow your boy on Instagram and all social media platforms. And like that, it's been another episode of FGTV. And we out. Peace.
The Chicago